What is your name?
Sonia.
So Sonia, tell us, how far did you come today to be with us?
We drove from Eastern Ontario about 6 hours.
Okay. So why did you come all this way?
Because I've been following you guys on Facebook and on your internet site for over a year, and I'm so excited about tiny homes and off-grid movement. And I thought yours was just like a dream in a box.
And so that was your experience, and then you actually saw them in the
In the
flesh. Like,
yeah,
what was that
exactly.
like?
It was pretty exciting. It's like I just wanted to camp out there and not leave for next week.
And was there anything that you saw that you're like, oh, I didn't expect to see that, or it was different than what you imagined?
It's bigger than I imagined, and it feels really homey, even though there's very little furniture. So I can easily imagine myself making a living in a little house like that.
And if someone was thinking, oh, do I really want to go all this way to see the Bunkie Life factory? What would you say?
Definitely, it's worth a drive, and the people are so friendly at Bunkie Life.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for taking all